Welcome to the Trivhub. Bats are soaring, skeletons are grooving, and an epic candy challenge is just around the corner. Will you conquer this sugar-fueled mission, or will you be haunted by bizarre flavors forever? There's only one way to find out. Subscribe now and let's take a bite of this thrilling adventure. Round 1, the candy mountains are here. Choose your candy. Sour gummy worms or chocolate eyeballs or candy corn. Pick a chocolate bar, Kit Kat or Twix or Reese's. Which gummy treat? Brain gummies or eyeball gummies or vampire fangs? Halloween cookies, pumpkin spice cookies, or witch finger cookies or ghost-shaped cookies? Favorite spooky drink? Vampire punch or pumpkin latte or ghoul juice? Choose your haunted house treat. Marshmallow ghosts or spider cookies or chocolate skull. Candy showdown. Snickers or Milky Way or peanut butter cups. Pick a classic candy. Tootsie Rolls or Bit of Honey or candy corn. Chocolate bar choice. Hershey's or Mr. Goodbar or Nestle Crunch. Gummy selection. Gummy pumpkins or gummy bats or gummy skulls. Choose a sour candy. Sour Patch Kids or Warheads or Lemonheads. Cookies with a twist. Spiderweb cookies or Frankenstein cookies or Black Cat cookies. Trick or treat snack. Reese's Bats or Witch Hat Pops or Skull Lollipops. Halloween cake flavor. Spiderweb cake or ghost cupcake or pumpkin spice cake. Pick your popcorn flavor. Caramel popcorn or cinnamon popcorn or cheddar popcorn. Choose a crispy treat. Frankenstein Rice Krispies or Halloween pretzels or witch finger breadsticks. Which haunted drink? Zombie juice or witch's brew or monster shake? Spooky gummies, gummy brains or eyeball gummies or gummy fangs. Choose a lollipop. Skull lollipop or glow-in-the-dark lollipop or ghostly cotton candy pop. Pick your chocolate. Dark chocolate or milk chocolate or white chocolate. Candy corn with a twist. Pumpkin spice candy corn or sour candy corn or chocolate candy corn. Cookie decorating choice. Skull icing or spiderweb sprinkles or witch hat shapes. Ice cream treat. Pumpkin ice cream or ghost sundae or chocolate skeleton. Choose a fruity snack. Candy apples or caramel apples or sour apple rings. Cake pops. Ghost cake pops or witch hat cake pops or pumpkin cake pops. Best gummy flavor. Strawberry ghosts or apple monsters or banana mummies. Pick a drink. Bloody Mary or Frankenstein punch or purple people eater punch. Mummy-inspired treat. Mummy cupcakes or mummy Twinkies or mummy donuts? Choose a chocolate-covered snack. Chocolate marshmallows or chocolate pretzels or chocolate bones. Pick a spooky cookie. Haunted Oreos or witch finger cookies or monster sugar cookies. Cereal time. Halloween cereal mix or monster marshmallows or ghostly granola. Fruity candy choice. Skittles or Starburst or Jolly Rancher. S'mores night. Halloween s'mores or ghostly graham crackers or pumpkin marshmallows. Unique candy. Gummy eyeballs or candy corn bones or black licorice bats. Donut time. Vampire donuts or ghost donuts or pumpkin donuts. Choose your M&M flavor. Pumpkin spice M&Ms or dark chocolate M&Ms or white chocolate M&Ms. Classic choice. Three Musketeers or Butterfinger or Baby Ruth. Halloween fudge, nightmare fudge or pumpkin fudge or witch's brew fudge. Pick a brownie. Spider brownies or ghost brownies or jack-o'-lantern brownies. Which Halloween popsicle? Witch's brew popsicle or Frankenstein popsicle or ghostly popsicle? Thanks for joining today's challenge. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to smash that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss out. Can't wait to see you in the next video. Until then, take care!